Hello, it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I'm getting ready to make myself some lunch, so I thought I would show you what I'm going to have. This is some slaw mix that I bought at Aldi. It is a Southwest mix. You may have seen these kits. They come with all of your vegetables, and this particular one also has cheese. It comes with dressing and other accoutrements. So I thought I would start my wrap with that. It also came with these tortilla pieces, so I will be using that in my wrap as well. I also have a piece of chicken that I did in the air fryer. This is from the large package of chicken breasts that I bought. This has paprika, garlic, onion powder, and salt, and pepper. Alright, I'm going to scoop some of the slaw mixture. If you've never tried these cabbage and greens kits, you should. They're really good, especially if it's just for one or two people. They're really perfect. This cost $2.99 at Aldi, and it was a little over 12 ounces. Alright, I'm going to put my chicken here. My wraps are not too big, so I have to be careful with how I fill them. So I'll have some of this chicken left. I can make another wrap if I want to. I've got a little bit of cheese here, so I'm going to put that on there. And like I said, this Southwest slaw mixture has cheese in it already. I have just very few of these banana pepper slices, so I'm going to use a few of those. I didn't think I had any, and then I looked, and I do. So we're going to use some of those as well. Now I'm going to put a few of these on there for a little bit of crunch, which would be nice. What I like about this slaw mixture and the kits is it has everything you need, so they're very versatile. You can use this as a base for your tortilla wraps. You can use it as a base for pasta salad. Really, the ideas are endless. Now, I'm just going to wrap this up, but I'm going to leave it open-ended like this, because I'll just start eating it from that end. I'm going to put a little toothpick in here just to hold it together long enough till I am ready to eat. Alright, you can see I've made up a second one, but on my first one I forgot something, so I'm going to put it on this second one. I have a little bit of ranch dressing left, so I'm going to put that on there as well. But everything else that I put on the first one, I put in this one. So we're going to just wrap that again the way I did the other one. Leave it open-ended. And there you go. I think this looks pretty doggone good, don't you? All right. Well, that's it for me today. I just wanted to show you this. This is very inexpensive. It's easy to do this for one person, which is very nice because now I'm not going to have any leftovers. I do have some of my slaw mixture left, but I will be able to eat that in no time because there's not that much. I'm actually trying to cook less and cook for one person rather than make so much food. I think it becomes a burden to have so much food to deal with when you're just one person. That may sound strange, but that's how I feel. So I'm making a sincere effort to change my ways, and I wanted to share that with you. All right. Excuse me, that's it for me today. I love you guys. You know I do. As always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay? All right. I'll have some other videos pertaining to cooking for one or buying groceries for one, and let's see how that works. You know, we can always learn new things. Okay, I love ya. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.